What's up, guys? It's Kenyon. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but this rain is coming down, man. Jesus. That's my truck, by the way. That's my dad's truck and that's my mom's van. I'm afraid to go out here, man. Look at that. Damn. I would go out and run in it. Trust me, I'm fucking soaked already. I'm gonna go out. I don't have a freaking umbrella. I got like a 12 gauge down here, but that ain't gonna do anything. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do YOLO. Here we go.
You want Mom to come get you in the van? Here's Mom. Hold on. Hello? Woo!